Hi, my name is Tania Deshawn. I am a writer and poet who uses writing to awaken generational dreams. So, Awakening Dreams has two parts. One, being self-aware. Two, creating art with a message, right? We're not just making noise when we're awakening dreams. And I learned this at Berea College while developing Sister Circle. It taught me the patience of beginning to end creating art. It taught me how to collaborate, how to trust my choices and decisions as an artist. And these are all tools that I give to my students at my workshops. And of course, the ability to be self-aware doesn't just fall out of the sky like I wish it did. So I tried to incorporate affirmations to help guide the students in a healthy self-image, and you'll see this during different workshops.
Possible, I am lovable, I am smart, I am correct.
So once we've done that social emotional learning, I then challenge them to collaborate with other artists, focus on their strengths, focus on their message, and develop a piece that really tells a story that they find important. We're Dream Awakeners in my neighborhood. So if you would like to collaborate with me to bring arts education into your school, organization, event, go to taniawrites.com and click on the booking page. You can also find me on LinkedIn at Tania Deshawn, TaniaDeshawn, and then you can also message me on Instagram at Tania Deshawn Writes. Again, TaniaDeshawn. So I look forward to hearing from you all and collaborating with you.